Today I'm out on a solo adventure in the SUV camper and I'm bringing you along for the ride. Cheers!
I've seen the stars on the ocean, and fields of grass beneath the blue.
It's a chilly morning today. It was 34 degrees when I left the house this morning, and I've come down quite a bit in elevation, so it's sitting right around 37 degrees right now. My main goal today is a mental reset. We have a lot going on these days. Today I woke up and saw the fog, and I'm inspired by the fog, and I thought, oh, it's the perfect day. I know exactly where I want to go.
I've heard the songs of summer singing, like a humming in June.
The original plan this morning when I arrived, I was going to cook myself a little breakfast before I headed out. But as soon as I got out of the car, I heard the bald eagle calling from across the river. And that's a good sign, and I'll tell you why. That means the salmon are still spawning. Because I'm familiar with this location, I have something special in mind that I really hope to be able to show you. Breakfast can wait. I'm going to grab my camera gear and head on out for a walk and see what I can find.
There's always something around the corner, something more to be found.
So with the bald eagle and the possibility of spawning salmon, that might be a hint of the little bird that I hope to be able to show you. The American dipper loves to forage and feed on salmon eggs. The American dipper, known for its distinctive dipping motion, cute turned-up wren-like tail, and flashy white eyelashes, is North America's only truly aquatic songbird. This unique little bird was so beloved by John Muir, a 19th century naturalist, that he dedicated an entire chapter in his book, The Mountains of California. John Muir writes, he is the mountain stream's own darling, the hummingbird of blooming waters. For both in winter and summer, he sings sweetly and cheerily, independent alike of sunshine and of love, requiring no other inspiration than the stream on which he dwells. If perhaps you find yourself streamside one day, be sure to listen. Be on the lookout for this endearing little bird to bow and wink in your direction.
Somewhere far the birds are flying, someplace there on feathered wings.
I don't have anybody to cheers with, so cheers to the tree. Cheers. Well, it's just been an absolutely fantastic day. This morning I was able to find the American Dipper. I achieved all my goals, which was to have a mental reset and to spend some time in nature, and so excited because I was able to show you the American Dipper. And if you'd like to learn more about that special little bird, I have several videos about the American Dipper, and I'll leave a link to those videos in the description. I hope I inspired you today to get out, even on days like this when it looks kind of dreary. You just never know what you're going to find, and really in the end, just getting outside and getting some fresh air and spending some time in nature, it's just good for the soul. Oh, and I met a new friend today too. His name's Jim. Hi Jim, if you're watching, it was great meeting you. He was out birding as well. So with that, I'm going to wrap up today's video. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. But the USB rechargeable, I'm distracted. Guess what? I'm hearing a bird. I hear a hairy woodpecker in the distance. I tell you, I never stop birding. He's coming closer. He might come closer. Okay, anyway, this location is a gem in my eyes. It's the hairy woodpecker again. Oh, it's distracted.
But don't tell me about yourself, 'cause I don't need any more help to